Hi, I'm Becca with Flair Espresso, and today I'll be brewing cafe quality espresso using the NeoFlex in under 3 minutes. For the coffee today, I'll be using store-bought pre-ground Intelligentsia house blend, and I'll be brewing this with the red flow control portafilter that comes standard with the NeoFlex. The red flow control portafilter is a pressurized portafilter that allows brewers who do not have an espresso-capable grinder to still brew cafe quality espresso at home. Other items that I'll be using to brew today include the pressure gauge, the dispersion screen, the funnel and the dosing cup, as well as the red flow control portafilter and the thin cylinder. In terms of assembly, the NeoFlex is incredibly easy to put together, as all we need to do is connect the base to the lever system here and make sure it's nice and snug. And now I can start preparing my ground espresso to brew. Using my red flow control portafilter and my dosing funnel here, I am going to weigh out 17 grams of pre-ground coffee. Okay, 17 grams, and now I'm just going to settle on the counter a few times to get that coffee as even as possible, taking my dosing cup and acting as a tamper to compress the coffee grounds, nice and even. Now taking the dispersion screen, I'll set this right on top, and I'll be adding my thin cylinder, which I'll just press down all the way till it feels snug with the portafilter. The thin cylinder, when we add hot water, will immediately heat up, which will not result in any loss of water temperature, so we can begin brewing immediately. Prepping my scale and my cup, just so I have that ready. And now I can begin adding my water all the way up to the etched line. Now I'll place my pressure gauge right on top of that water. And as I begin brewing, I'm going to press my timer. Lowering the lever, I'm going to raise my pressure all the way up into the espresso zone. And this is going to indicate that we're using enough pressure to be able to brew nice quality espresso. And now that I've reached my yield of about 28 grams, I'm going to replace my cup quickly. And I'm going to lower the lever once more to just remove any remaining water that's in the coffee puck, making it a little bit easier to clean up. Cleanup on this NeoFlex is incredibly easy. All I need to do is separate the portafilter from the cylinder and knock out any remaining coffee. After I've knocked out the coffee, I just need to take a dry towel to my portafilter basket or rinse this under water and do the same for the thin cylinder. So this was a quick brew guide on how to brew cafe quality espresso using the NeoFlex in under 3 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Flair's customer service team. Thanks for watching.